Alright, let's get it. Welcome back to another trading day of mine. Yeah, let's take some more profits for today. It's the 8th of January. We have first day today, and I already see potential setups right here on NQ. Market is about to open in 4 minutes, so we're still in pre-market. I see this gap. And yeah, let's try to make some money, right? I think that's what we want. We didn't get a breakout structure yet. The only thing is, I kind of gotta hurry up with the setups, with the lows and everything, because I'm actually kind of late right now to the party. But it is, no, it's not Asia. But it is what it is, I guess. We have this London lows, or do we have here London lows? No, we don't. This is the London low. I'm definitely trying to look for shorts here. I think shorts are very possible. On ES we don't have this gap, but we still have this 1 hour gap. So it depends on which pair I'm taking it. But yeah. Okay, we already got a break here though. That's interesting. I think, yeah, we're probably going to take out all these lows. Do we have setup here? We probably do in a couple of minutes, 30 minutes. We'll probably have a setup, but I'm not looking for it yet. But I think we're probably going to take the NQ setup here. This looks pretty decent, I would say. We don't have much bullish confirmations, bullish pressure. We got this high though that we might be able to take out before we do anything crazy. So we gotta watch out for this high, definitely. Maybe take it out, maybe we don't. And yeah, get my equilibrium, should be alright. Yeah, I mean on 1 hour we're good on the EQ to, so this is fine. And now we're just trying to look for a 5-minute break, I would say. So let's see what's poppin'. Let's see what's poppin'. 2 minutes to go. I got everything set it up right here. What I would like to see is maybe to take out this high first, then get like a SMT off this, and get a breakout structure so I can entry and take shorts. I think it's what's gold doing? I didn't watch gold, but there's nothing really to watch. I don't like this price action. Yeah, that's not really to watch. No need to. Yeah. Okay, so we just focus on NQ. Here we gotta wait like at least 1 hour probably for a setup here. But on NQ it looks fine. I like this setup. Got this 4 hour, 1 hour, whatever you want to call it. I make it a 4 hour because higher time frame holds higher value. And we're just trying to look for a break of structure in session open. Get a retracement here. We got a good 5-minute retracement here also. So this looks actually really good. I like the looks, man. I like the looks of it. Let me calculate already. Maybe I'm gonna take a quick trade. Oh, NDX. That's right. We trying to sell. The entry would be somewhere 25,775. 25,775. 25,775. My exit would be up here over this highs on 25,822. 3 lots, 2 lots, 2 positions, 2 lots, should be fine. Got like a decent trade right around here. Like this is 1 probably, yeah, 1 RR. This is 2.7 RR. So I'm fine with this. And the market opens and we get some bullish pressure, which I like to see actually. I really like to see this. Yeah, I want to actually, it would be great if we take out his size. If there's a possibility where it's for 3-second market opens. Like now. Now the market opens. And we boom it up to take out the size. This is what I want to see. Let's see it happen. Let's see it happen. I mean, damn, man. We're probably straight up going to the bottom, I would assume. Um, oh yeah, and we are. We already are. Yeah, this is interesting. A little bit early, I would say. Probably not going to take out these highs. But we're going to take out these London lows now. Pretty confident in this. ES is still kind of like behind, you know? Might get a trade on ES though. Not sure. But let's see when we take out this low if we get a sweep, but like a little bit of retracement or this. Yeah, we're gonna set up down, man. Getting good sweeps though, but yeah. I was expecting this. It's kind of unlucky of a timing because the setup formed right here with this 5-minute break before market open, 10 minutes before. So I didn't take it. And now we're just taking out these lows, which is alright because we still have this kind of like, it's not really Asian low, right? No, it's not, but the non-session low, I would say the daily low, we still have. And it's waiting for it to be taken out. So this is what we can do. We got a 5-minute gap here, but what do we even take out, you know? Maybe we can go down to all these lows, but we might get a liquidity sweep. Ooh, this is a really high time frame liquidity sweep, so yeah, but I gotta wait for the setup. Either way, I have to wait. We get a good retracement on ES though. Like ES is giving a retracement. Probably because we got those these long lows on NQ now. And we just wait. We are just trying to wait. I mean, we catch a great trade yesterday, right? If you saw this, my first episode of my new episode of my new series, you can say I caught this trade, not yesterday, but on Tuesday. It was a beautiful trade. It took a little while for the setup, but eventually we got the setup and made some money on that. And now we're waiting to make some money here. Or lose some money. Depends. But I gotta play my edge out. That's all I'm here for. To make the trade and play my edge out. This is what I'm here for. Okay, we take this London high out on ES. This is actually pretty good. Probably. Could be pretty good. This London high on ES. Let me make these lows on ES2. Because I might take a ES trade. You never know. We have pretty much of like equal lows right here. I mean, it's not really equal, but it's not far from equal. So yeah, we tapped in the zone. We might get a 1-minute break, and I might entry on ES. Yeah, if I get a 1-minute break, we might entry here because we tapped in the zone already. Even though we didn't take out these highs yet, what I wanted to see, but yeah, we're just taking out all these lows, man. Now, that's the thing with pre-market. That's the thing with pre-market. This setup was really beautiful, man. It was pretty obvious that we're gonna take out these lows, but it formed before the market opened. So then took it. Now we're taking all these lows out, all of them, and we can't really get an entry right here. I mean, this entry would be so aggressive. We get a 1-minute break though, but this is not the trade I'm looking forward to. You know, this is not an ideal risk reward for me. Like, what is this? You know. So we have to wait. We still have to wait. We got a 5-minute break, which is great, but we didn't take out these highs. So I'm willing to wait a little bit more. Maybe miss this trade, but I want to see the size taken out, and then I can play like a little bit more aggressive, I would say, with my stop loss over this high, and like something like this I would be fine with, but only if we take out these highs, because it doesn't really make sense to me why I should take this trade when it's still a possibility that these highs can be taken out. NQ already, no, neither did NQ, so we might get a reversal, but I mean, we're pretty bearish, so I'm not really looking for longs. I mean, it exactly happened what I described to you, right? It exactly happened, but unfortunately before the market opened was my entry. And not in the market, but this happens sometimes, you know. It happens, and yeah, we might get a sweep around here, so it's pretty rough to look for shorts. I still gotta wait either way, but yeah, we don't have much volume on ES right now. We make a bullish SMT though to possibly take out these highs. Yeah, we just have to see. Just sit back, take a sip, and just let the market do its thing. How was your day? Because my day was pretty decent, I would say. It's pretty chill. Yeah, I can't really look on Twitter. Damn, bro, I'm live. You know, Twitter is sometimes crazy. Even though I don't really use it, but this is when the crazy shit goes around, you know? When you don't know what type of timeline you have. But hey, I mean, we're looking forward to take these size out right now. Maybe we don't, maybe we do. So we could actually go for another opportunity to take shorts when we get like a 1 minute break of this, or like 1 hour sweep. Wait, 20 minutes, okay, that's fine. We get like, I don't know, I don't want to see a break of structure to the upside on a 1 hour. This is what I'm like, kind of don't want to see. But yeah. I mean, this trade would have been beautiful. It would have been. But you gotta stick to your rules, man. Can't trade on this. And I mean, a 1 minute break was like pretty rough already. With the market opening, it's kind of crazy, man. This trade would be, I don't know. It would be something. And we are taking these lows out, okay. We don't take this high out though, so I'm still patient. I'm willing to wait for the setup. And if we don't take this setup, we will probably have something going on Euro USD. If the 1 hour forms, maybe. I don't know. Could possibly be something. Be a setup. With the Q going on, gotta go a little lower, then we're good. Yeah. We don't have equal lows, which is kind of, if we would have made equal lows right here and retraced, it would be so good, but we already took this out. Got a good retracement here, but at the same time it's like, I don't really know, man. There's like so much volume in right now. It's always like session open, session closed. You could never know, and we are taking this lows out. Okay. So this is a big candle, man. This is a really big candle. Like a fucking red candle going on here. Like big and black, but yeah, gold is moving like no pips at all. Even though we got kind of a gold setup going on here, I think, I would say, but we do not. I mean, maybe we do. I don't really like it though. Like, this is just so. I don't know. These candles are not it. And we're in the daily FEJ, so like even if embers, you know. So it's like I don't really know. I don't like it. We're moving in daily imbalances, which is not ideal. But yeah. Think it's gonna be a long day. Cause I really see myself in taking this setup. If the setup happens, I mean we still got 80 minutes to go. We already got like retraced on this 5 minute here. So let's see. And we don't really have lows to take out, you know. We have daily lows probably to go for, something like here. But that's it, you know, so it's kind of rough. Yeah. I mean, this is like 500 pips. So, respect. Definitely gonna let this trade run for a little bit then. I mean, setup looks pretty decent, right? But I'm still waiting to take out these lows. Alright. Damn. Rule. Like, damn. Right when I said it, man. Right when I said it. I said, yeah, we might be taking out. I want to see you take out these lows. But they just took out the slow. So. I mean, am I the market maker? Am I the chosen one? Like, I don't know. I might be. Like, this is a crazy incident. Like a really crazy incident. But yeah. Okay, we took out this low, I guess. So we didn't take out this high. Yeah. I like damn. This caught me off guard. It's like 1 minute candle, right? Yeah, it's just 1 minute news candle, even though there are pretty much no news, right? What's going on? actually live on Twitch and I didn't even notice it, which is crazy. Well, just before my headset goes off, I gotta put the shit in. Alright. There we go. Just quickly gotta open everything up. There we go. Okay, I have no clue. We're getting the retracement. Okay, interesting. I don't really like to see it right now, but oh. Gotta change my title, man. I don't know. And yeah, for the viewers on YouTube, I'm also live on Twitch right now. So I will put a link in the description. And yeah, so you can actually see me live trade. I mean, this is on YouTube. It's already like live, but live trading, but not live streaming. And if you check on my Twitch, you could interact with me live. So sounds good, right? Yeah, sounds great. That's pretty unfortunate. Oh, we're in this gap on a 1 hour on gold. And we are getting a retracement on gold. And we got the break on gold. But do we want to take a gold trade? Let me see the lows. Oh, we have good lows, so it would be so fun to take a gold trade, right? It would be actually funny. Do we have any index that, I mean, we're in a daily gap, which is kind of like not what I'm looking for. We got a daily hour, but we broke structure. No, we don't. We didn't broke structure on the 4 hour. No, we don't. So yeah, forget about it. Just forget about it. We did not break any type of structure on the 4 hour there. We might be able to finally take out the size. Which can be great. Just gotta get everything set up on my phone. And yeah, yesterday, let me see. We took this trade, and this was a pretty small trade, but we still made like on the funded, like on 200k funded, still like 1.5k. On the different 25k funded we made, I can show you. Over 1%, like nearly $300, 268. And on the 50k funded, you saw that was like way too less, but it's still a win, you know, you take this. So we do take it, man. But yeah, like I told you, I'm gonna show every single trade on every single account, even if it's a loss, if it's a win, it doesn't really matter. To be transparent as possible for the challenge. And I told you all next video I'm gonna show the profits because I was kind of sick and didn't have my cam on to show you, but now I do, you know, so we are up there. And yeah, this is the retracement would just completely break down. We could probably take this trade right now like this, and I would say there's a potential that it could work. But like this one ties, but man, it's not my strategy. But I don't see getting a big retracement on NQ, like something I want to see, but we never know. I could be wrong, you know, I could definitely be wrong, but at the same time I could be very right, and yeah. You never know, you never know. Because everything tells me, yeah, you should short, you know. But yeah, I mean, oh, let me see. 4 minutes to go for this hour to close and get a 1 hour gap. Yeah, see, probably work out. Get a 1 minute break and boom. Yeah, we just have to wait, I think, for the setup. Yeah, we probably just have to wait for this. There's no other opportunity for me. Just have to sit and wait patiently for the market to do what it wants to do, make the moves it wants to make. Trying to play my edge out. So we wait. I can wait all day. We've got a 4 hour gap. But at the same time, like I told you, we didn't get a 4 hour break, so I don't see why I should take shorts, and 1 hour is just consolidation, so it's not really great on gold. And I mean, yeah, told y'all. I told y'all. Would probably work out. That would be right there, man. This way would have probably worked out pretty well. Was going to work out pretty well, but at the same time, you know, it's not a win if it's not your strategy. You should never start to trade random. Don't random trade. Even though if it's a winning trade or losing trade, it's probably even worse if it's a winning trade, because then your mind thinks, okay, this is fine, I'm gonna do it again. Because you just feel a large amount of positive energy, and you will stick to the random trading and probably will lose the next couple of trades then. And then you're confused. Why didn't it work? It worked last time. And then you doubt yourself. You doubt your strategy. And you doubt pretty much everything you know. So don't start it. Just simply don't. Just go off by your strategy you learned. And you normally trade off. Yeah. A little bit tired, I would say. Even though my sleep schedule is so good, Like, I have such a great sleep schedule, but I'm still tired. I don't know why. I have no clue. Maybe because trading is boring. I'm getting tired, but I don't know, man. And we already took out this low. Yeah. What can I tell you? You just know. If you have the market experience, you just know. Um, oh, this is sad. This is really sad. Mid is 1 hour, and it's actually a pretty good gap, I would say. This gap looks really solid. Um, so I'm definitely willing to take this trade if my setup gets hit, but I don't know yet if we get a hit. You know? I mean, we got the EQ like this, which is, I would say, pretty good. Just I do this slow. But we probably won't retrace here. We're probably going to retrace right now and take out these lows with this move. So yeah. Oh, yeah. As I told you, it's pretty unfortunate that the setup happened before market open. Because that would be a great trade, right? And would have been like something like this. First TP, second TP. Boom. In 5 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes actually. 50 minutes. In 50 minutes we would hit every single take profit with a error or risk reward of, yeah, pretty much 2, like 1.8 average. But yeah, sometimes when it doesn't want to happen, it doesn't happen, you know. This is how life is sometimes, man. But yeah. I don't think there's any like purpose for me to even watch ES and NQ now. I don't see why I should, cause like, you know, I don't know. Like, I'm not getting a retracement. Ugh. I'm just not. And I'm probably not getting a retracement here either. So yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. But I mean, we're still like only half an hour in, so I'm still pretty confident that that it's possible for me to make a setup today. But probably not now, and not in like the next hour. Yo, what's up, Josephine? How are you doing? Are you doing good? I hope you do. Yeah. I did not have my chat open the whole time. I'm sorry for this. And I can't even, like, is my... No, I'm good now. Okay, that's fine. Okay. We just wait and wait and wait, and I mean, we're just looking on a market that it makes moves. We're just looking at the market, taking all these lows out pretty much right now, but there's nothing much I can do, man. Oh, we might get a retracement now. Let me set everything up for Euro USD. Get my calculator out, my calculations, because you know that's how we do it. I mean, this trade is damn, you know, but we still have to wait like a good amount. Two positions? I would say two positions, right? Some one here, one here. Maybe here, a break-even position. Yeah, that's fine. If the market's willing to take out everything, you know, 1.16652, 116652, 116652, 116652, 1.16652, 116702, 67. So funny. It's like 25 lots or something per position. Oh, am I wrong? Wait. 66665. Only sixes. 1.16665. I'm sorry. 6702. 6702. 66665. 16665. I mean, yeah, this would probably be like somewhere here, the entry. I don't know. Oh, yeah, come on, take this out. I want to see you take out the size. Give me a 1 minute break and we are back in. Pretty much exactly the same trade because I'm probably go off these buddies for my first CP and not off the Zwift now. I mean, come on, take this out, give me a 1 minute break, and we are good to go. We are good to go. Oh, we're probably going to get it. Okay, so this is like something like 25, I don't know, 230. Oh, I'm on the wrong pair. That's why I'm tripping, because this... Okay, it's not significant much more, but... Damn, I'm tripping. Yeah, we took it out. Oh my god, this is so good. Let me do something like this. Realistically, okay, 1 on this, 2 on this, 6955. Gotta get my share, man. Opa. Oh, wrong. 6965. 6965. Okay, this looks good, looks good. So we took out the size now, and now we need a 1 minute break to the downside to be completely fine. So it's like 10 lots basically on 2 positions. Per position 10 lots, that's fine. Get a good retracement here. Like a 50-minute retracement, as it seems. Okay, we broke structure. We even broke structure there. This is insane. Yeah, we are going so low. Probably. It's going to be tough. Okay, we are actually taking out D size. Maybe this for our gap now. You never know. This order block. Because NQ is making the moves right now, you know? NQ is the move maker in this situation here. But we finally took out the size. This is so good. Now we're just waiting for entry confirmation, so we can enter this trade. Yeah. But I don't think we are going to enter this trade. It depends. It really depends on Enki right now. But doesn't really seem like it, man. You know, it doesn't really seem like it. Might get another retracement with this 1 hour gap, but we still have then 1 hour to wait. So this is going to take a while. But yeah. We're looking forward to break this gap, to inverse it. And to break structure on the 1 hour. I mean, we did before, right here. But yeah. Oh. Okay. Wait. Making a couple of good moves right here. We are making good moves. We are making great moves. Oh, okay, we tapped in here. Oh, this is insane. We got good setups going on everywhere right now. Probably even prefer this setup. Right? I mean, we got this 4 hour sweep, but everything else just matches up perfectly. And we got a good retracement here, you know? Might get a good retracement here. Oh, this is intense right now. I mean, we have two good setups. We're probably going to break here, man. Probably going to break this gap. Maybe break this gap, you never know. So it's like 10 to 1 2. 10 to 1 2, and this was like what again? 1 1 6 6 6 5. 1.16702. 25, yeah, I remember. Okay. I mean, this is probably still going to take some time to make this 1 minute break, but we get it probably right now on the S, and yeah. I mean, no, we don't. Of course we don't. Come on. I mean, I'm down to enter on the S, to be honest. So. We're just gonna retrace down and down and down, you know. Okay, we got a 1 minute break here though. No, we don't. That's not Roman break. Never mind. I'm tripping. I'm just seeing things, man. Oh, what? It's bugged. It's bugged. What is this? Come on, man. No one. There's probably my entry going on. I do not want to see this bugged. Like what? There's like something missing there. Yeah. Okay. This is just mean. Damn. Like, come on, bro. I mean, we make 30-minute, 50-minute gaps, but this is fine. I actually like this trade more than ES probably, because ES is just too high up in this gap, man, and it already got like touched. But now it's we can sweep this, but we still have to wait like 40 minutes probably to even confirm a sweep. This is a little bit annoying. And yeah, I mean, because NQ is retracing even higher. It has retraced even higher. It's going to take a while. Damn. It's gonna take me 1 hour for this trade to possibly be something. And it's going to take me maybe a couple of minutes for this trade to be something. So we are very patient. Still need to wait. For our gap? No, no for our gap. Oh, this guys are way too big. Oh, we don't get any type of confirmation here, man. We don't. What's gold doing? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Gold is like doing gold things, so I'm not really trying to look into it. This is not my edge yet, you know? It's not my edge. I do not have the odds in my favor right now. Only if something happens here, like a 1 minute break, then I might have my odds in my favor. It's such a big move here, man. Yes. But on NQ is nothing, bro. NQ is like nothing. I mean, we get this big bullish SMT. That's probably a reason why it's kind of like doing something. But yeah, I would probably wait a whole hour now to get like the setup that I want to have. Cause damn, what should I do here, man? It's such a non-brainer. Then, but only then. Cause right now I can't do much. I can't do nothing. Nothing at all. But yeah. Okay, this is inappropriate, I would say. It's not what I want to see. This is not what I want to see. We are not taking this. Not anymore. Okay, we got still this 15-minute gap, but come on, what is it gonna do, you know? 30-minute, okay, maybe. Do I like a 30-minute gap? Not sure. Not sure yet. NQ is the leading index. That's the thing, man. If NQ is the leading index, yes, it's just doing things, man. I'm telling you, just doing something. And the volume is so flat right now. There's not much volume at all going on. Yeah. It's going to be a long day. Let me tell you this. It's going to be a very long day. I mean, there's a possibility where we go for this gap, you know. But the trade wouldn't hit. It wouldn't make sense because I'm not hitting TPs with this. Not at all. Because the volume is way too low. The volume is way too low and we pretty much took out everything on NQ. So yeah. I do not know what I should tell you all. Because this is rough. This is very rough right now. Yeah, okay. This is just completely backfired. I mean, it didn't really backfire because I did no entry or anything, but there's no opportunity anymore on this pair, I would say. We have no, and I'm only looking for bullish, so this is euro to the US dollar is finished for me for today with this move. And NQ and TS might be as well. I mean, the only thing I can do is probably wait for this hour to close. Maybe get a sweep, get a 1 minute break, or like a 5 minute inverse, something. I could take my entry off, or here, like this 1 hour would be good. If we get a 1 hour here, and we get a little bit of retracement, we get a little bit of a break, something, and we can still take out these lows, these lows, these lows. So there are possibilities, man, but they are pretty low right now, I would say. And I do not want to take this trade right now. Just, I mean, we got the break right now, probably, right? No, we got the break right now. But the 1 hour is just not doing it. We have to wait for this 1 hour. We have to, I would say. Because I'm not trying to take a loss of this. I'm really not. I mean, the setup is kind of like doing what it should, but now it's just, there's the danger that we are going to break this 1 hour gap and that NQ still retraces. Because NQ didn't, like I told you, there's a problem. If we take out the ES highs, the London highs on ES, and we do not take them out on NQ, there's still like a good chance that the market wants to take out this highs. There's a chance, you know. So that's like, something I have to take account of, you know. Because you can't just blend out everything that goes against your trade. You just can't. Look, I mean, look. If I entered right here, I would be nearly like fucked already. Like, damn. because this would be the trade, right? This would be the trade, and I'm nearly like out of it already, because it's just too risky, especially with this big candle up. There's so much bullish momentum right now. But if we sweep this London highs and we get a 1 minute break of structure to the downside, and my entry something like here, this would be fine, you know. This would be great. A trade like this would be awesome. But I still have to wait for this, at least 40 minutes. Same goes on for here. And that's a great thing. If we get our 1 hour here, if the 1 hour closes and we build this gap right here, and we sweep this, we have a good bearish setup on NQ and a good bearish setup on ES. And we have probably better lows to take on ES than on NQ, but NQ is the leading index, and it's really great if you see for both pairs like a good bearish setup, good bearish confluences. That's what you want to see, right? But the thing is, we got this big bullish SMT that it's just, you know, yeah, it's just doing a lot, you know. Get this bullish, that's exactly the thing I mentioned before. We get this SMT, this bullish 1 hour SMT, and we can take out London high because we got like good volume now, like decent volume, good bullish confluence. This is the danger I explained before. This high time frame SMT, I think it's even a 4 hour. No, it's pretty much a 1 hour SMT. I mean, you could say it's a 4 hour SMT, but it's just on a 1 hour looks better. I don't know. And yeah, but you do not want to go bullish, like, or I do not want to go for a bullish setup when a 4 hour and a 1 hour is bearish and my whole bias is bearish. Like, I only switch my bias if like the trend changes, or I don't know. Yeah, basically the only reason I can think of right now. Because you don't really change bias that often. You're better off with just not taking a trade then, I would say. Instead of changing your bias every like hour, you know. Just don't take a trade. That's my advice I can give out. Because if you switch your bias, you're definitely unsure, and you shouldn't trade when you're unsure. There's no reason. So yeah. Got my chat open again. That's good. Yeah. Alright. Might get this 5 minute break. But even if Interesting. Oh, damn it. Hmm. Got a good retracement on EURUSD right now, and I don't really know why, but we do get it. Oh, this 15 minute, no, this 5 minute. Yeah, we get it from this 5 minute right now. Interesting, interesting. Get this 1 minute break. Yeah, just break right here. Okay, wait. This looks good. We do not get a 1 minute break again. Could get a 5 minute break. Still have to be patient. That's the thing. We still have to be very, very patient. Let's just wait. 30 minutes to go to close this 1 hour. Might get a sweep on these London highs, get a good break of structure or like an inverse for my entry. And we are still able to, probably, it could happen, to take out these lows. So I can play out my edge. But yeah. I mean, this trade looks also really good, you know? It looks decent. I like the looks of this trade. I really do, but yeah. So we are this looks crazy, man. It really does. It's fighting. Bro, why why is my chat getting botted? Like what? What the come on, bro. Why is my chat getting botted? Yeah, I mean, damn. It's kind of funny. Crazy. It's crazy, man. Oh man, come on, bro. Mm-hmm. When does our close? 25 minutes. Oh my god. It's taking so long, man. It's just not, it's just crazy. It's taking so damn long. Oh. Like, it's just crazy. Um, yeah, okay. I mean, yeah, we got a good retracement on here. We got a 5 minute break on here. Probably, I could probably predict that the market's not going to close it out and take a trade like this. Um, but yeah, we will see. I mean, I would still be down to take this trade. The 1 hour matches my vibe, you know. If the 1 hour does its thing, I'm down. But got a retracement on here too. Damn. We're sweeping this. Mm-hmm. Man, when I started to stream, it was like day, you know? It's just fucking dark now. Um, but yeah. Okay, so we are getting sweep right here. And we could probably go off like this 1 hour sweep, a 5 minute retrace, and something. Mm, yeah. Dum. Um, oh, the fuck? I don't know. What's going on? Mm-mm-mm. So, Mm, yeah. Mm, we have to wait. We have to wait. There's nothing much I can do. And this is exactly why I mean, man, it's just experience, right? So even though we got the 1 minute break and everything we are looking for, the 1 hour, you can see it. And yeah, I mean, this S&T is so strong. The same goes on for here pretty much, right? I don't know what we're doing here, but it doesn't look too good. But we get a good retracement on this gap, which is like kind of decent, I would say. Maybe take like a low risk trade here, man. Because it looks pretty good. It does look pretty good. It looks solid, you know. We didn't even take out these lows today, like the London low. So I might take a little trade here. But at the same time, it's like, damn, you know. I might. Yeah, man, trading is rough, you know. Trading is, yeah, annoying, boring, whatever you want to call it. Uh, this trade's actually going pretty well. That's from a 5 minutes, so it's not really what I'm looking for. I'm not going off 5 minutes retracements. Not part of my strategy or anything like that. But we are taking out these lows, man. Like, we're going to take out these lows, I guess. Still waiting for this 1 hour to close, sweep, break, entry, money, or lose money, but having my edge, you know. I'm still waiting for my edge. I'm not trying to play music, man. I wish I could, but my last video got copyright striked, so you know, it is what it is. Yeah. Get a good retracement. I mean, do I just watch TikTok right now? Cause what should I do? I should, right? Yeah. Oh my god. Do do do. Am I tripping today? This is not right. What's this? Bro, my shot is fucking glitched today. I don't know. Especially like USD. Like, what's that, man? There's something missing. There are like wicks missing. There's like a weird spawn. This market is glitched today. I don't know. It's so weird. Cause I was looking actually for entry right here. Cause I was waiting for like a 1 minute break, but which is like I don't know. Yeah. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. So we still only have like 12 minutes. So that's great. We are already like 1 hour and 20 minutes into the recording, and pretty much nothing happens besides yapping. So this is great, yeah. I mean, sometimes you have to yap, you know? You have to yap, yap, yap. So, got my chat open again. Alright. We're getting good movement now, though. We are getting like kind of good movement, which is looking like we might sweep this, close it, sweep it, and have a setup. We might don't. We don't know yet, but we will see. Oh my god, I still open Twitter. I do this when I'm bored, you know? I do this when I'm bored. It is so glitched. Yeah, why didn't I take this trade for anyone who is like, yeah, you got everything marked and you got the lows. Why didn't you take this trade? Because it's a 5 minute. I usually don't trade off 5 minutes. I only trade off 1 hour for our like imbalances or gaps, whatever you want to call it, fair value gaps. Not from 5 minutes. I kind of trade from 5 minutes, but only if it's a retracement for like 1 hour. You know, when tapped into 1 hour, build a 5 minute, tapped it, and then I might take a trade off. But this should not happen here, so there is no need for me to take this trade. You know, it's just not part of my strategy. Part of my strategy is 1 hour, 4 hours, break, inverse, something, good bias, always trade with the trend, and yeah, pretty much the simplest thing you can ask for in trading for strategy. But sometimes the simple things are the best things, you know, because it doesn't take any skill to get like a winning trade or like certain winning trades. It doesn't take any skill. Anybody can do this. Anybody can win trade, or like couple of trades, 3 trades in a row, 5 trades. Everybody can do this probably. This is not where the skill is involved, but the skill is involved in your mental and your psychology. Of course, it helps if you're like a good analyst and know or have a good strategy, but at the end of the day, this won't make you a good trader or profitable. Maybe for a short term, but not in the long term. So you gotta build your mind first, or at least build it. But yeah, okay. Oh, I didn't even watch gold today that much because it's just not doing something. Yeah, we're just moving in like daily gaps, you know, this is a daily gap, this is a daily gap. So, I mean, we could probably take a swing trade right here. If we get this 1 hour break, we probably have a swing trade, you know? Something like this. This would be our swing trade, but, well, maybe like this, I don't know. Would be a possible swing trade. You can see definitely some swing traders take this trade. But I'm not one of them. So it's not for me. I said it would be really great because we would hit first TP by now. Yeah, here we would hit first TP here. So maybe we should have took this trade. By this break. This was the idea. Oh, I'm moving it wrong every single time. This was the idea. But yeah, it was only an idea. It's not plan or part of my strategy. So it's just an idea. But the idea worked out. But it don't really matter. I mean, if I don't take a trade today, then it is what it is, you know. I'm not desperate to take any trades. Because I think we can still trade tomorrow for this week. Oh. Maybe we don't. Maybe we do. Yeah, unemployment. But this non-farm employment thing is always like... But it's at 2:30 p.m., which is fine. But we're still like red folders on 4 p.m., which is not fine. So I'm probably not going to trade tomorrow, and we would be back Monday. 40:30. Monday, Thursday, Friday for next week. Monday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, it sounds good, man, right? Sounds decent. Okay, 5 minutes to go. We have 5 minutes to go. Oh, we get a good retracement right here in this 5 minutes. Wait, this is actually... Nah, I think I'll wait for this setup though. Okay, 5 minutes to go for this to do something at least. So, yeah. Then I only need like maybe a good retracement again in this zone and like 1 minute break, or... Because the thing is, I do not want to take this trade. This trade is not it, you know, it's 1.1. It's not what I want. But yeah. Oh man, this is not what I want. This is really not what I want, man. Let me tell you this. Come on, give me a good retracement this 5 minute. At least somewhere like up here with a 1 minute break, and we are good. I would love to see that. We gotta enter on 3 different accounts. So this is going to be a little bit complicated because we gotta put different lot sizes for every single account. Not even lot sizes, also contracts on here. So yeah. Gonna leave for a minute. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Yeah, we have still 4 minutes, so I'm good. I'm back. All right. 2 minutes to go. 3 minutes ago. That was fast, man. So yeah, let's see, man. I mean, we do get what I want. We do get what I want. Oh my god, yeah, this is just... Then get this 1 minute retracement. What the fuck is going on here? What is that? Like, what? This ain't even moving right now. This market is fucked. Oh, nice. My audio cut off. I don't know what does it, but okay, I guess. But I think I'm actually finished for the day because there's nothing I can do anymore. I do not have any type of setups. Maybe I have this setup, but it's gonna take a while. And even then, I do not think that we're gonna take out all these lows. Um, uh, and this is like, I'm not taking any trades from like a 5 minute gap. Tap in, 5 minute retrace, something like that. I do not take any trades from this. Gold is just doing gold things, completely bullish, no way of any type of entries, and yeah, ES and NQ is pretty much done. At least ES is done, and NQ is still like, I don't like this, you know, I do not like this type of structure right now, and there's no volume at all. I mean, look at this 1 minute candles right now, it's just nothing, you know? So I think I'm basically done for the day. And if I take any more trades, or if I take a setup today, you will see it on my YouTube probably. So yeah, that's for the stream. Have a good day. See you on Monday. See you on Monday.